Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I show you the network marketing system of Mining Express. So on the top there are you, and now you directly sign up new two members. On the left side is one, on the right side is one, and both of them will also sign up new two members. Then there are 6 guys under you, and from every 6 person you profit, and so on. So for example, let me draw a cycle. This one is a cycle, and this one is a cycle, and this one is a cycle. Partner 2 and you gain profit of each cycle which is under you. Let me give you another example. What is about partner 21 and partner 22? If there is one cycle, partner 10 gains from it, partner 4, partner 1, and you, everyone who is above a cycle, get the profit. So in this example, partner 10, partner 4, and partner 1, and you, and everyone who is above you get also a profit. So this is very simple, this system, and I hope you understand it. The target which you should reach is that you don't have to do anything, and that your network is so big that you don't have to do anything. Well, yes. Sorry for my bad English. I hope you understand it. And thank you for watching. I hope I could explain you. If not, ask the question in the comments. I will answer you. Bye.